Hi, if you need to make fast restart on the iPhone 16, then you will need to press and hold this combination of buttons. Firstly, you just need to press the volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold the side key. So just press volume up and volume down first, and then hold the side key till the screen will turn off, and then you'll see the Apple's logo appears on the screen and your phone will restart. So let's try this out. I'm gonna press volume up, volume down, and then hold the side key. Continue holding till the screen will be completely turned off. And after that, you would see the Apple's logo appears on the screen, and now we can release the button and simply wait a couple of seconds till it will turn on again. This combination will help if your phone is lagging or simply does not react to your swipes, movements, touches, and so on. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.